Today on this 2007 Dodge Durango, we're going to be test fitting a Thule Roof Rack. We'll be using the 60-inch AeroBlade bars along with the Rapid Crossroad Feet. We already have our crossbar assemblies put together, and now we're ready to mount them on top of the roof of our vehicle. The first thing we need to do is set the load bar up on top of the vehicle. Once we've done that, we need to check a couple of things before we start to tighten it down. First, we need to make sure that the load bar is overhanging evenly on both the left and right side of the vehicle. And we also need to make sure that the load bar is running perpendicular to our side rails. To do that, we'll find a fixed point up on our side rails on either side and measure the distance from that to the edge of our crossroad foot and make sure it's the same. Finally, we need to make sure that the triangle marked on the side of our crossroad foot is pointing towards the center of our side rail. Now that we have our load bar positioned properly, we can go ahead and begin tightening the system down. We'll move back and forth from the driver's side to the passenger side to make sure we tighten down the system evenly and don't lose our position. With our front load bar positioned and secured, we're ready to start on the rear. Again, with the rear bar, we need to make sure that it's overhanging evenly on both the driver's side and passenger side, and that the arrow marked on the side of our feet is centered over our side rails, but we also need to make sure that the rear load bar runs parallel to the front. To do this, we're going to measure from the track slot on the front bar to the track slot on the rear bar and make sure that this measurement is the same on both sides. With our rear load bar in position, we can go ahead and begin tightening the system down. We'll use the same technique that we used in the front, moving back and forth from driver's side to passenger side. And with that, our roof rack is installed and ready to use. That does it for our test fit of our Thule Roof Rack with AeroBlade load bars on our 2007 Dodge Durango.